Someone once said, there are no do-overs in life. Well, I don't think that person was a gardener, because sometimes there are do-overs. This is my second summer, and I am entitling this video, Begin Again. I have had probably one of the roughest first half of summers that I have ever had. So I decided to plant some things over again, and what I'm showing you is what I've harvested recently. I'm going to dry these out. This is lemon basil. This is lemon balm. This is spearmint. This is sage. This is my first harvest of my figs, which came out really well this year. You probably saw my harvest video for my potatoes. These are the purple potatoes. These are the white potatoes. These are a few of the pears that I got. But here's where it gets interesting. I replanted cucumbers because I only got about 3 or 4. Here are my starters. This is my dinosaur kale that I am not replanting, but planting for the first time this year. And when you come over this way, this is another replant. This is a replant of my cantaloupe. Same pot, different month. I don't like giving up, so most cases I don't. This is another one. These are my Malabar spinach plants. There are 1, 2, 3, looks like 3 or 4 over here. Then I have a few more over here. So I replanted those. There's quite a few things that I am doing over this year because of the weather. And I'm hoping that I don't have the same issue that I had in the first half of the summer. As a matter of fact, I think it's probably unlikely. So there's a lot that's doing well. There's a lot that I have really done well with this summer. And there's so much that still needs to be harvested. What you're looking at over here are my sweet potatoes and peanuts. And what else do I have over here? I have some beans in here and a couple other things that I'm not going to go into right now because I'll save that for the tour. But the purpose of this video was to show you guys, what I'm harvesting today. I already started harvesting in these containers here, these little bags. Did a video on it about a week ago, but I'm going to add to those. And like I said, this is some of what I have harvested or am currently harvesting. But the main purpose of this video is to show you what I am replanting, because it is a little bit past mid-August. The first frost date is not until the middle of October. I did not show you my squash because it's on the other side of the garden. But that squash is in where the potatoes were, where these potatoes came out. And these potatoes came out, there's now going to be squash, which is already coming up. So that's it. Maybe, generally speaking, in life, you don't get second chances, but in my garden, you do. This is the Frugal Gardener. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in a few days. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from.